Welcome to another edition of Ask Nappy. And today's question comes from Mark from Singapore. And he asks, can he use his Android phone to create an app? Hi, I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Before I answer this question for you, Mark, I have a question for you all. Do you use an Android phone or an iPhone? If you use Android, then comment Android. If you use an iPhone, then do comment iPhone. Yes, Mark, you can certainly use your Android phone to create an app for your business. What you need to do is, firstly, go to Google Play Store and search for Appy Pie's App Builder. Or you can only search for the keyword App Builder and you will see Appy Pie's App Builder ranks number 1 in the Google Play Store. So what you need to do is install the App Builder app from Appy Pie on your phone. Let's get started with the app creation process. Tap on Start Now. Now you need to add your business name. I will type my business name as Ask Nappy. The system would then ask you to choose the most relevant category for your business. Once you have done that, tap Next. Now you need to add the most relevant features to your app. We have over 100 odd features in our Appy Pie app development platform. So you can choose the most relevant features and hit the Next button. Once you have done that, it would now ask you for the most appropriate design layout. We've got about 12 to 15 design layouts. Choose the one that most appeals to you. Once you have done that, you need to tap Next. Now comes the fun part. You need to add your app icon. It could be the logo of your business, or it could be something that you have created specifically for this app. So if you have that icon uploaded, or you have the option to choose it from our app icon or app icon library. Once you have chosen the most relevant icon, tap the Next button. Now, what you need to do is add the app background, which would also serve as your splash screen of your app. So for now, I'll choose from one of our image libraries and tap the Next button. Now you need to choose the most relevant plan that suits your requirement so that the app generation process can start. For now, I'll go ahead with the free plan. And now the app generation process has commenced. And I can now log into my account and start testing my Android app by downloading the APK file, installing it. If you like this edition, then do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and colleagues on social media networks like Facebook and Twitter.